To set up the screen lock password on OnePlus 15, first of all, we need to go to settings. In here, we need to scroll down to security and privacy, and then you should be able to find device unlock. Now we have the screen lock option, and we can choose the password type. So for example, we can choose numeric, alphanumeric, and pattern. So let's say I'm gonna choose numeric over here. We need to wait 5 seconds to press continue. This is just the information that you should, of course, remember the password, because if you forget it, then you will lose access to your phone. And over here we can enter, in this case, 6 digits. We can also tap over here, use a different password type in order to switch to something else. So let's say I'm going to switch to 4 digits. I'm going to enter an easy password, and as you can see, if you do the same thing, you will see this information that this password is too common, and of course it is easy to guess, but we can still use it anyway. And there we go. Once you enter your password twice, you will set the password on your phone. You can also see this message asking you if you want to set up fingerprint unlock. So if you want to, of course, you can press enable and then follow the instructions, all these instructions that you will see on this screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.